Hello everyone, I welcome you all to another episode from K21 Academy, where we take you in a journey from complete beginner to a certified professional. In this episode, we will look into expert tips for how to land in Oracle Cloud jobs. Let's look into the video and don't miss the ending for a special free class.
So today we will discuss about the exam preparation, CV tips, and how you apply for a job for the OCI. Okay, so first how you apply for a job. So normally when we want to switch our job, or if you are a beginner level, so you want to apply a job. So how you go about that? So what you decide in mind? The first thing is that first you decide whether you want to change the field or not. So there are two things. The first thing is job switch, and second thing is the career switch. So what is the difference between a job switch and the career switch? So first we need to decide why we need to switch. Okay, is it because we want to switch, like we have been into some organization, so now we want to explore new opportunity within the same domain. Okay, within the same field that we are currently in. Okay, so that's a job switch. Okay, so that can also be within our organization also we can switch projects. Okay, and sometimes if we are doing internal switch, so we saw that we have internal portals in our organizations, so there we get the notification that this is the job which is there. So if anyone from the organization wants to apply for that, so they can apply. Okay, so that's a internal job switch, okay, within your same organization. Another is like when you're doing a switch outside your current organization. So I'm into functional side. I want to now switch to explore a new things in functional side. Like I have been doing the same kind of work in my organization. So I've been I have also jumped from one project to other, but I want to again explore a new opportunity in different organization, different kind of consulting framework. Correct. So that's a job switch. Okay. Career switch. So for example, I am working as a functional. I want to go for a technical role. Okay. I am working as an admin. Okay. I want to go for a architect role. So that's a career switch. Okay. For both of the thing, you have to define a role roadmap. Okay. So first you need to set the roadmap. Okay. First you need to decide what kind of switch you want. Okay. And accordingly, you will prepare a roadmap. So now you have decided that I want to do a job switch, for example. Okay. So the next thing is, as rightly mentioned, we will see what all capabilities I need for the new job. Correct. So what I will do, I will go ahead and then search for the new opportunities, and I will read the job descriptions and will see which all capabilities I have currently and which is the add-on capabilities I need. So if that I can go by myself, I will do a self study or I will go for some other trainings. Okay. On top of that, I will do the certification just to prove a fact that I am certified. I know I have a confidence I can do that kind of job, that kind of technical kind of work. Okay. So that's the normal thing. Okay. Is first you decide the switch. Okay. After that, you decide the job, and you will see all those job description. You go for the training, you go for the certification. Okay. So now again, like how we apply. Okay. So now we have decided, like we have even we saw the in the portals, we have seen the job description. So how to apply, so that we will see now. Okay, so see, for example, I have searched for OCI architect. Okay, so in that I have seen that this in the portal I have multiple companies which are hiring for the OCI architect. These are the locations. Okay, and these are the key skills. So now I got it, like what are the key skills I need. Okay, so whether it's a remote job, whether it's a contractual job, whether it's a permanent job, so that's again a deciding factor. So your deciding factor is that, so if you want to go for consulting, then there is a different list of organization. If you want to go for a product based company, then there is different list of product. So you need to decide in which type of organization you need to go. Okay, so right on the screen we can see that we have like different openings, and we see the locations, top companies, and the key skills. So see, like on the screen, so there are two types of experience you have. Okay, the first is total overall experience, and second is the relevant experience. Okay, so on the screen we are able to see that the relevant experience. Okay, so this is a relevant experience. So for example, if you are or like a cloud DBA, or you are a DBA administrator, correct? So now you want to go for a cloud DBA, okay, and you went for the search, and there they have mentioned like 8 to 13 years, for example, in this one, OCI architect. Okay, so since you are still into the same domain, okay, the same field, so the relevant experience would be the same with the total experience. So like as before that I was in a functional side, now I want to go for a technical side. So in that case, my total experience would be different, and the relevant experience would be different. Correct? So for that, what we need to do, we need to open this job uh, advertisement. Then we need to see whether it's a total experience or it's a relevant experience. But most prominent, it's a relevant experience. So, for example, on this screen, we can see that this is a job posting from the outside of India, so Hertfordshire, and here we see what type of skills they are looking for. Okay, so another opening from the LinkedIn and Indeed. Okay, we can see that this is okay. So they need required skill, and what will be your responsibilities. Okay, so they are asking like engineer with 8+ years of experience, multiple any two Oracle skills like EBS, Fusion Middleware Pass, include DB Administrator. So now here you can see that they are looking for EBS, Fusion Middleware Pass, IAS, and DBA. Correct. So in that case, both of skill, both of your skill will club into a single skill set. Okay, so for example, if someone is looking for a techno functional, okay, so in that case, your functional plus your technical skill would combine. Okay, but still, you can see that in technical side, there are many more things to learn, but still, there are few jobs in which they need those skill in which both of the mix of it. Okay, so this is again another opening. So we can see that they are looking for 5 to 8 years. Okay, first of all, we will discuss like what is a perfect CV. And also one more thing, just to mention here, like when you are hunting for a job, so now you have your resume with you. Now you want to start. You have uploaded your resume to the portal, like different portals are there, Naukri.com, job service there, monster.com, or even you put it on the LinkedIn. Okay, so how you need to think from the HR perspective, from the recruitment specialist perspective, the talent perspective, how they will be searching on the system about the current job, because they have their talent acquisition team, so they do the screenings. Okay, so how they do it, so they write like on the LinkedIn, they like we need like this kind of posting. Okay, so on the basis of keywords they filter the profiles. And for example, if we have like the naukri.com, so what you do, you create your profile, you mention all the things, your personal details, your work experience, projects, CV, all those things. Okay, so suppose today I have created my profile on naukri.com. Okay, so now I'm after 1 week also I am able to see that there is no call coming to me. Okay, so what should be my approach? Should I go for like a paid option? Really not required. Okay, so what you can do, you keep updating your profile. Okay, minor changes also. Okay, in your profile, wherever you create your profile, you keep on changing that. Okay, make the updates on your profile, like you change your profile heading, you add a new skill, you remove a skill after 1 day, again you add it. Okay, like that. And also there are like different ways to go for that, like what you can do, because normally the first they will do, they will search and then they will check the notice period. That plays a very most important factor in screening. So suppose my organization is looking for immediate candidate, okay, but here I have put like 3 months of notice period, correct? So they will not they will not go for my profile because they know that this candidate cannot be onboarded within that period, correct? So what you can do, you reduce the notice period in your profile, so that way at least you will be getting the calls. Okay, so now again, so notice period is also negotiable, as we all know that. Okay, so if we can negotiate with our organization, so in that case our notice period can be reduced. So it's better to put a little less in that, so that at least you should be receiving the calls. Okay, two things. So the notice period. The second thing is regular updates to your profile. Okay, and also from the talent acquisition side, you think like how they will be searching, what keywords they will be searching. So those kind of keyword you need to put in your profile, so that whenever they search, those keywords gets matched to your profile, and they come, they were able to see that your profile on the top list if it's updated, correct? So they are like two persons. So one who has updated his profile like 3 months back, okay, and there is another person who just created his profile 1 week back. Okay, so what will be the chances of the first person or the second person for the getting the call? Okay, the chances will be because the latest update is by the second candidate who has recently created the profile, so his profile will be on the top list if the all the keywords are matched. Okay, I'm assuming that both the profile are kind of similar only. Only the difference is the update part. Okay, so what do? You create the profile and you keep, if you really want to switch. Okay, so you keep updating your profile. And also, suppose I want to switch today. Okay, it's not like first I need to prepare a roadmap for that. Okay, I will decide like I want to switch. So I suggest that even if you don't want to switch, what you do, at least take an interview with at least within 6 months. So the benefit of that would be that you will be getting to know like what current trends are in the market. Okay, which skill set the outside organization are looking for. So in that case, you will be getting like again those things you will apply on your profile and you will be getting the calls. And see, if you're not actually really want to go for any switch, but still you want to see like what kind of profile, what kind of roles, and what are the latest skill set companies are looking for. So in that case, you simply put the notice period as immediate. Okay, and also the second factor would be the CTC, because there you have to mention the CTC. So you just reduce it. Okay, because the cost is again the big factor on your screening. Okay, because those things I suggest that don't disclose the CTC upfront. So once you receive the call, after that you can decide. You discuss with the HR, okay, or the specialist, the talent acquisition team who is calling you. Because otherwise, if you have already on a good pay scale and you have put it there, and they have a budget which is limited, so they will not go for you, correct? So these are the few tips that you can apply. And first and foremost, I suggest that you first, before like now you have understood like these are the jobs. Okay, so what you can do, you side by side start giving the interviews. Okay, in that case you would be able to know like these are the few questions that will be asked in my interview. Okay, reduce your CTC on the profile, keep regular updates on your profile, reduce your notice period to the immediate. And once you have got like two or three kind of calls, after that now you know these are the skills that I need to have.
Hey, thank you so much for staying with us till the end of the video. I have something special to share. If you loved our content today, then you are absolutely going to adore what's coming next. We have a free class, and the best part is it's available for everyone. This class goes in depth into the topics we touched on today, offering you detailed insight, a comprehensive explanation, and some exclusive content that wasn't covered in the video. All you have to do is just click on the link in the description below and you will be redirected to a page like this. Or if you are just starting out, just type K21Academy.com/OCI02. Now all the information inside the video that we will be covering is listed here. And for the classes, this is how you can register. All you have to do is just select the event date, enter your name, enter your email ID, enter your phone number, and then click on register now. Then you will be redirected to this page. In this class, you will be learning these points, and I promise that this is something you don't want to miss. So go ahead and click on the link and step into the fold that where learning knows no boundaries. Till then, keep enjoying. I will see you in the next video.